Boost your erection and improve circulation naturally with these powerful homemade Viagra drinks. First, we need 10 grams of ginger. Why? Because ginger increases blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels. It also reduces oxidative stress, which can improve sperm quality and fertility in both men and women. It helps balance hormone levels, which is essential for overall reproductive health. Place the ginger into a small jar. It's important the jar has a lid. Add 1 gram of cinnamon. Studies suggest it may support erectile function by increasing nitric oxide levels. Next, squeeze 1/2 of a lemon. A lemon is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids that enhance circulation. It also reduces inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health and proper blood flow. Now add that lemon juice into the jar. Pour 200 milliliters of boiling water. The heat helps extract beneficial compounds, making them more bioavailable. Close the jar and let it steep for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the jar and use the spoon to mix. I would be so happy to know where are you watching from, so drop your city in the comments. Let's bring this community together. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This amazing vinegar may support cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation. It can also help regulate blood pressure, which is essential for proper blood flow and vascular function. Strain the mixture into a glass. After steeping, remove the solids. Your natural circulation boosting drink is ready. All you have to do now is to stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. You see, honey contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help improve circulation, support overall cardiovascular health, and enhance the taste of this drink. Now, this is how you're gonna use it. Drink 1 glass in the morning for 7 days and then take a 3-week break before repeating. Remember, this is not a medical advice. This drink is based on known health benefits of its ingredients. If you have any health issues, please consult with your doctor. For our next drink, we're gonna need 1 carrot. Carrots contain carotenoids, which are antioxidants that help improve sperm count and motility. Studies suggest that higher carotenoid intake is linked to better sperm quality. Additionally, vitamin A in carrots may boost testosterone production while reducing estrogen levels. Take your favorite blender and put slices of carrot inside. Next, we're gonna need 1/2 of a tomato. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes, helps protect sperm from oxidative damage. Research shows that lycopene intake is associated with improved sperm concentration and motility. Add 60 grams of walnuts. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols. Now add 240 milliliters of water. Proper hydration is essential for overall circulation and nutrient transport, both of which contribute to reproductive health. Blend everything together until smooth. Then strain the blend through a strainer to remove any solid pieces and achieve a smooth texture. This is how you're gonna use it. Drink 1 glass 30 minutes before bed for the best results. A quick note, do not consume if you're allergic to any of these ingredients. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and children should consult a doctor before trying these drinks. Now let's make a drink that contains key ingredients that support testosterone production. Bananas contain bromelain, an enzyme that may help increase testosterone levels. They are also rich in potassium, which plays a role in testosterone production and muscle function. Place the bananas into a blender and set it aside. Next, add 1 garlic clove. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its ability to dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. Better blood flow can contribute to cardiovascular health and overall energy levels. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Now grab half of a red onion, because red onions have been shown to increase testosterone levels naturally. They also contain anti-inflammatory compounds and B vitamins, which help produce red blood cells, reduce blood clotting, and enhance circulation. Adding 120 milliliters of water helps with absorption and hydration. Blend everything until smooth. Now pour the blend into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey contains nitric oxide compounds, which can help widen blood vessels and improve blood circulation. It also has antioxidant properties that support overall vascular health. From my personal experience, I have a few suggestions that might help you with this drink. I suggest that you drink this drink as soon as you prepare it. And also, adding honey is very important because this drink has a really strong taste. For best results, drink this 30 minutes before bed and let nature do its magic. Now let's take a look at our last drink for today. You see, garlic contains allicin as we mentioned before, and this compound helps to get better blood flow, which also means stronger and longer lasting erections. Add garlic into a glass and cover it with 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Next, we need a slice of lemon. Lemon helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which can otherwise lower testosterone levels, an important factor for healthy erections. Pour 240 milliliters of boiled water over the coffee. Let it infuse until the temperature cools to 40 degrees Celsius. Add a lemon slice. After the temperature cools down, stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. This step is very important since this drink also has a really strong taste. And don't forget, honey can help boost testosterone levels and improve sperm motility. Drink this in the morning with breakfast for the best results. Test these drinks and choose the one that works best for you. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with your friends and family.